Hey guys, how are you doing? In this episode, we are going to see about what is Meta AI and how to use it if you have just got it in your WhatsApp application. After the latest update, many iPhone users have received this colorful circle icon at the top right corner. When they open the WhatsApp, they can see it. If you are new to this artificial intelligence chatbots, then continue watching the episode. I will also share some useful tips and tricks that you can get the most out of it. For some users, the Meta AI, the circle icon, the purple color circle, is not still visible even after the latest update because WhatsApp is slowly rolling out to more users. So it is not possible for us to enable it, manually. So you have to wait and just keep updating your WhatsApp with the latest version, just weekly once check App Store for any pending updates. And if you see any, updates waiting for you from WhatsApp, then update it and you may seeing it in, the coming few weeks. To answer the very first question, what is Meta AI? It is something similar to ChatGPT. If you haven't heard about the ChatGPT or, you haven't heard about any artificial intelligence or chatbots recently, then don't worry. I'll explain it to you in the way that, even a beginner can understand. With WhatsApp, the Meta AI currently uses the Llama 3, which is the large language model that Meta company, which owns Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram, have developed. And they have integrated their artificial intelligence chatbot with the WhatsApp so that you can ask some questions, get answers quickly, and you can do so much more, simply by giving a prompt, a statement, or a sentence by asking the AI. Normally, if we want to find anything in internet, we open the google.com or bing.com and search for something where we will find the content created by some content creator. It will be displayed as a result. But when it comes to the AI, right now we have the generative models where it answers you based on the question you ask. As an example, here just open any chat window with your friend, or Meta AI also works with group chat environment. Simply use the at symbol and summon the Meta AI by typing the Meta space AI, and you can start asking it any questions. Otherwise, you can also chat with it private one-on-one to get the answers, and you can copy and paste it with any chat systems, or you can use it for composing an email, or you can use it for any other applications. Here you can see I have asked about a movie, the cast of a particular movie, and it immediately provides me the answer along with the source that it have actually referred with. Any web search results will also be linked at the bottom of the answer. That will be easy for me to explore further, or I can straight away ask further questions with the chatbot to collect more answers. There is literally no limit. Like, you can ask questions from various categories like science, medicine, technology, and any sort of questions can be asked. And these large language models are trained with plenty of data, and even it does support different languages. As you can see, I have tried it with Tamil language, and as it is kind of too early to call this as a perfectly working AI model, something like ChatGPT, it is kind of superior. It will fetch you as latest information as possible, and the Meta AI is kind of in a very early stage, and it tries to provide information based on the web search, and based on your queries sometimes it provides an old information that it finds from the web search. So you always have to cross check and verify the results instead of simply copying and pasting it. Also, with language support, ChatGPT supports more than 45 languages, and with the Meta AI, I can see that it tries to answer it to me in Tamil language, but again it deletes it and tells me that it is unable to answer in Tamil language at present. Maybe in upcoming Llama 4 or 5 models, I think more language support will be added. When you clear the chat, you will see the suggestions on the screen so that you can quickly ask it to suggest some fitness tips, or any medicine related things and so on. It also lets you create images. So simply ask Meta AI from individual chat or from group chats to create a image for a specific occasion and it'll show you the generated image. You can also animate it as I shown in the screen, simply summon the Meta AI and say animate it so that it'll be converted to a couple of seconds GIF image and you can use that for sending it as a greeting. Meta is trying to integrate it with more of its services, so we will see deeper integration with Facebook, Instagram, Reels and videos in coming months. I hope this video helped you to understand what is Meta AI and how you can use it. Do try the tips I have provided, with your WhatsApp if you have already got it. Otherwise, give some more weeks time. You will get the Meta AI enabled on your WhatsApp very soon. Thanks for watching. For more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.